Hey everyone, on today's episode we're going to take a look at how to assemble your Cobra Class 8810 post-bed sewing machine. Now, once the machine has been delivered to you on the pallet and you've taken everything out of the boxes and off the pallet, these are the proper steps to get your machine up and running. So let's take a look.
Alright, your machine comes with a bunch of accessories, which include the pulley cover, rest pin, oil, screwdrivers, a box with bobbins and needles, the machine belt, the knee lift, along with the thread stand and the LED light. Once you have the casters on the base of the machine, lock them in place so that the table does not move. Carefully lift the machine head, make sure it's seated firmly on the tabletop. Here's a helpful tip. If you need access to the bottom of the machine, which is not a common situation, insert the rest pin into the designated hole and carefully tilt the machine back to rest at an angled position. Alright, now let's add the belt. Start by loosening the 14mm nut on the side of the speed reducer. Use a rubber mallet to push the speed reducer up a bit. Attach the belt to the grooved hand wheel and insert through the table hole. Now rotate the belt onto the speed reducer. Use a heavy-duty rod or pipe to wedge the speed reducer back downward and to put pressure tension back onto the belt. Tighten the speed reducer back into place. Check the belt for proper tension by squeezing the belt on both sides, and it will have about a 1/2 inch movement and should not be loose. Under the table, there is a grooved slot for the knee lift to be installed. Grab the knee lift and notice that the end has 2 notches. These will align and fit perfectly into the knee lift holder. You'll need to use a flathead screwdriver to tighten down the screw to secure the knee lift. The thread stand has a large mounting hole. For the bottom, use the provided rubber and large washer to lock it into place. To install the LED light, insert the cable into the proper table hole with a washer on top and tighten down the light with a washer and nut on the bottom. Grab the plug and insert and then lay the cable completely flat before sliding the plug cap into place. There is a plug outlet for this light behind the on and off switch. You want to make sure the cables have clean cable management and away from any moving parts. Grab the thread guide pin and screw it into the top of the machine head. Next, notice there are 2 threaded holes around the hand wheel. This is for attaching the pulley cover. Line the cover up and use the provided Allen screws to tighten the screw into place. Once this is done, your machine is now complete with assembly.
Well, that's it for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.